So you have an explanation flowing from aggregate demand exceeding aggregate supply. You have an explanation that sudden increases in the prices of individual commodities or because of wage increase, there's a cost push inflation. Now, there is another set of theories explaining inflation. That is what we used to call the quantity theory of money. The quantity theory of money essentially argued if money supply increases, then it leads to an increase in price level. Please remember, in both aggregate demand exceeding aggregate supply and the cost push inflation, not much is talked about money. But whereas the quantity theory of money says that if the quantity of money in circulation increases, as a consequence, price increases. The standard version of the quantity theory of money is MV is equal to PT, where M is the quantity of money, V is the velocity of circulation of money, is equal to P, price level, multiplied by T, the transactions. If we assume V and T to be constant, then an increase in M leads to an increase in P. In the strict version of the quantity theory of money, an increase in M leads to a proportionate increase in price level, which means that if the quantity of money increases by 20%, then the general price level also increases by 20%. There are two versions of quantity theory of money. This is what they used to call money on the wing. There is the other view, money sitting, which means that the same thing can be translated into saying that the amount of money which people want to hold is a fraction of the real income. Therefore, M, which is the real money balances, is equal to K times Y, small y, which is the real income. That is, people's propensity to hold cash is a fraction of the real income. Now, how does the inflation explanation comes in? Here, once again, like the quantity theory of money, if M suddenly increases, what happens? Since the real income has not increased, suddenly they have excess cash on their hand. And they want to get rid of the excess cash. And in this particular process, the price level increases.